how you prevent that from happening? When you install your Bafang motor, okay, so you put the bracket and you start tightening this nut, you cannot over tighten the nut. We're gonna have the frame here, you know, and as you tighten, this bracket is gonna compress the frame and will make the motor, like, will start bracing, you know, the bottom bracket of the motor. At the same time that you are torquing, you're adding torque to this nut and screwing it in, you are extending, you know, millimetrically, you know, maybe micrometrically, you know, like small fractions, but you are deforming this shaft. If you over tighten this nut, you're gonna deform the housing of the bearings that are on the inside, and those bearings are gonna break. So how you prevent that from happening? You have to use a torque wrench